Hey guys, Justin here, and today, finally, I got our channel mascot, 3D printed Beyblade, JAVELIN JAPHITHERE. Oh my gosh. So, I've been trying to print this Bey for a really long time, but, the place I go to print is pretty unreliable for 3D prints, and, yeah. So, let's get into it. It is a defense stamina Bey. From you can see the round shape with the little defense thingamajiggers around there. As a J in the center for JAVELIN. And you might be wondering, what does JAVELIN come from? It's supposed to be a dragon, the amphitheater, but like I wanted it to start with my name because I made this Bey for myself, and like for Navius I made it for Kyler for my first Carmen Navius video. You could see him as like the other guy with the other voice. It's type. So yeah, this mine is from Amphitheater, a dragon, and this is based off of an amphitheater. Amphitheater. It's like a head, there's like a long neck body. J from, I don't know, I just wanted it to start with my names. So, don't judge me, I'm bad at naming. The combo I decided to give this guy is 00 defense. The reason I chose defense is because it is pretty decent stamina and defense for this. Yeah, yeah, this is fake because I don't actually have the real defense, but like defense nonetheless. And I chose 00 because it adds to the stamina to add to the stamina of the Bey. Anyway, yeah, so we're gonna do some battles. Okay, I got my boxing Beys. Who should we battle first? I think, well, like, Price Tatan's always a good, like, start target. Anyway, just go. 3, 2, 1, go. The Bey is also a right spin Bey. Yeah, go! You can do it, yeah! Oh. Oh, well, Christ, Aiden had 3 clicks. 3 clicks, so it was pretty close. I mean, like, it's obviously not gonna win that much. It's pretty... this is a single layer Bey. It has no gimmicks or, like, over pivot teeth. Well, maybe it's just a fluke, so I'm just gonna try it again. Oh, frick, don't break on me, string launcher. Ha! Don't break on me right now. Yeah, go! You can do it, JAPHITHERE! Go! Yeah! Wow! Okay, I think it like stopped before it like burst, so I'm just say survivor finish or spin finish. Next opponent, Excalibur! Yeah. I don't have Buster Excalibur because I'm poor, and if it was a Cho-Z Bey, it would probably demolish my Bey. So, we'll try this Bey. Why was I launching these guys first? This is a stamina type. It's supposed to go first. Oh, frick, that was a really bad launch. I don't know how to grip my launch thingamajig. I don't know how to grip my handles good, so just bear with me. Come on! Do it, JAPHITHERE! Oh, yeah! See that? You see that? This Bey is overpowered. The defensive capabilities make it super good against attack types, like just shove off their attack, and stamina gives it good stamina. Gives a good long spinning thingamajigger, the stamina, so that it can last long. Okay, I'm gonna put it against flonging it. Yeah, okay. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. No! No, my bay broke. Oh, frick, you don't see. My bay broke. Oh no! It's broken. No, I just got it printed. No. Well, I don't really know how to like end the video now because like I can't really do anything because this is broken and I can't test it because it's just broken. It's like all the pieces and it's like super sad. It's like April Fools, everybody. Like, I don't know, I ran out of ideas because I can't get my printer. I don't have a printer, so like I can't actually print JAVELIN. And the place I go to Vox is like to print my stuff is extremely unreliable, and I ran out of ideas. So happy April Fools! What am I doing with my channel?